just inches from disaster.
The mountain always has the final say.
A race against gravity with no finish line.
The slightest mistake, and it's over. It's a two-way street to nowhere.
The mountain decides when you stop.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place.
When you can't see the road, you just have to trust yourself.
A leap of faith, one bridge at a time.
Danger from behind can be just as deadly.
The darkness holds its own secrets.
Nature's unpredictable challenge.
Losing control is not an option.
When the road turns into a river.
A razor-thin line between grip and fall.
Facing your fears, 1 mile at a time.
Helping a brother in need on the toughest roads.
A warning call in the wilderness.
When instinct is your only guide.
Driving past the ghosts of the road.